Well, welcome everyone. We want to probably get started since we want to try to wrap this up by 3 o'clock Eastern time today. So thank you all for joining us for our training for Division and SIG Webmasters. We're glad that you're here to learn about how to maintain your SIG or your Division's web page that's hosted on AERA's website. Badut Acharya, who's our IT systems administrator, will be leading today's session. I want to first of all start with a couple housekeeping items, which is first of all that we have 2 ASL interpreters today, Koborski Ledbetter and Jennifer White, and we also have captioning available. So if you click on the live transcript button at the lower portion of your screen, you'll see the closed captioning for today's session. Also, if you have questions at any point during the webinar, please use the Q&A feature, not the chat. Use the Q&A. Just put any questions in the Q&A, and Badut will be pausing moments throughout the presentation to take questions from that Q&A. So very briefly, SIGs and divisions have the ability to have their websites hosted on AERA's website. And this is something that's provided at no charge to divisions and SIGs. SIGs can have websites that are hosted externally, but we really do encourage everyone to have their websites on the AERA platform. SIGs and divisions are responsible for maintaining the content of their websites, which is the purpose for today's training, so you can learn how to keep that content up to date. When you become a new officer, I actually give every officer in the division or the SIG access to edit the SIG or division's webpage. If you find you are an officer and don't have that access, just let me know and I can set that up for you. And Badut will tell you today how you actually know if you do have access or not. So that was the only bits of introduction I wanted to start with. And at this point, I'll turn it over to Badut to lead today's training.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Badut, and I'm the systems administrator, and I oversee the IT operations for the association. I will be demonstrating this session, how to update SIGs or divisions web pages. So let me share my screen to show today's agenda. So these are important contact information to contact us. You may want to note these email addresses. Nathan will be for anything relating to governance, and I will be for anything for website related, or you can reach to our communications team for the same purpose. This is our today's agenda. I will be telling briefly about our website, and then features on our website, left navigation menu, and then contents go to the modules. So I'll be telling the modules, and within module, the CMS toolbar, where you can find all the features, and then how to add or edit contents, then uploading documents or images, and there, and also embedding hyperlinks or email within the contents. And then finally, one nice feature, it's called anchoring. I will be telling that too. And finally, we'll take some questions to answer. So our website is www.aera.net. Website is hosted by a local company called JL Systems, and the web server is hosted in a data center in Northern Virginia called Citron Data Center. The website platform, it is called dnn.net nuke, and the web contents are all basically HTML contents. Now, each SIG and division, they have their own websites. Websites are mostly hosted on our website. All divisions, all the division websites are hosted on our website, but some SIGs, they decided to host somewhere else. If you decide to host your SIG's webpage somewhere else, please let us know that URL so that we can update the directory. But if your website is hosted on our website, this is that training session, how to update contents. So how to update content? If it is division, you can go to your division page by clicking that division icon and then go to your division. I'm picking up division D. There, you need to log into your account, your profile. You should have a profile within AERA. So log in. I'm going to use a test account to update or to show. If you are an officer, so you should be authorized by now to update your web page. And as soon as you log into your web page, division of SIG, you should see this black bar, dark bar called evoc bar on the left side. If you are not authorized, then you do not see. If you do not see this, please contact us to check. We want to make sure that you are authorized so that you can update. Same way, you can SIGs. They can go to their web page by clicking SIGs, and then to the SIG directory. And then find your SIG from the directory. You may want to notice that, for example, this SIG number 2, the URL, it is hosted somewhere else on a Google site, not on our website. So they provided the link, we updated, and people can go to their page by clicking here. Now, if a SIG's web page is hosted on our site, for example, SIG 3, it's there. And if you are an officer of SIG 3, click there to go to your page. You may notice that my account, my test account, it is not authorized to update SIG 3 page. That's why I do not see that dark evoc bar on the left side. I am going to use a SIG 147. Let's see. And I'll be using this SIGs page to do this training. And my test account is authorized to update this SIG page. So as soon as I go to that page, I'm logged into my account and I see that dark bar on the left side, and that means I'm authorized to update. Now, all SIGs, by default, we provide these menus. On the left, it is called left navigation bar. These are the default menus we provide. If you find that any of these menus is not appropriate for your website, or you do not want to show any of those menus, please let us know. We will disable so that they do not appear. So from left navigation menu, all the menus, you go and go to different sections and you update. I'm going to use the awards menu. Right now, there is nothing. So there, I'm going to show you how to add contents. Now, all the contents, they reside in modules. If you see this box, this is a module. And within module, you update your contents. Now, first thing is how to add a module. So on the left evoc bar, you see at the bottom left corner a pencil icon. That pencil icon gives you editing option. So click there to go to edit mode. So I'm now in the edit mode. first thing I'm going to show you how to add modules. There are different kind of modules. You can see half panel module, 1/3 module, quarter module. These are quarter modules, and quarter and then half panel, quarter and 2/3 module, and the most common one is the main module. So I click any of this module to add a new module onto your web page. So I click there. As soon as you click, a new module is created, and by default there is a title. First thing you need to do is you change that title, and to do that you click the pencil icon or edit icon there to give a name. And make sure you save. It is saved there, and now you are ready to update, add content within that new module. So whenever you go to a module in edit mode, by default it is basic mode. It has only limited features. This is the toolbar that has limited feature, and I suggest, and it is suggested, you always work in advanced mode. To go to advanced mode, you click this icon, the far right icon. It's called Advanced Editor. Go to Advanced Editor mode. That will give you all the features available within our content management system. So now, updating or adding contents, it's very simple. You do not need any special skill. If you are familiar with Microsoft Word, it is that simple. You just type or copy paste some content from somewhere else and put in there. And the toolbar, you see there are so many options. You select font, you add a link, you add a table, and you assign a color to your font, so on. So first thing is about the font. By default, it is normal, and it is Times New Roman. We suggest you use either Times New Roman or Arial. And by default, the font size is 12px. You have options there to increase the font or decrease the font size. Now, there are, by default, it is normal content. If you want to assign a heading, then you decide which heading you want to use. For now, I'm going to copy something, random copy from a document, and I'm going to put that contents from that. Come on. Oh, give me a second. It's going to the other monitor I have. Please bear with me. Okay, so I copy contents from the test document, and then I go to my module, and I just simply paste in there. And then from there, you play around to decide which font you want to use, what font size, and so on. I'm going to give a header there and highlight. And that header, if you want to do heading 1 or 2 of different sizes, you decide. And then you can select a style, maroon or taupey, so on. So That suggested you assign a header and the contents. After that, you add contents in normal mode. So this is how to add content within a module or update any content. You can update anything what you want to add and so on. Once it is done, make sure you save. Now there is no save button. To save, you click close. And then it prompts you to submit. Make sure you submit and give some comment there. It is submitted. So all the contents of the module you added, it is ready now, but it is not live. It is not published. You do not have access to publish anything. Whenever you add something or update a page, it goes to a notification is sent to the administrators in the AERA central office, and somebody will review that, making sure all of the features are correct. We do not pay attention to the contents, but we want to make sure that formats are correct. If everything is good, then we publish it to go live. So it generally takes a day. Different staff members within AERA office, they monitor every day. So it might be published within same day or at most next day. So let's see. So as I said, an admin in the central office will be notified and they will see, I can see now that the change I made, it is waiting for approval. I'm not going to review, but I'm straight going to approve that. As soon as I approve the changes you made, it will be live. So let me refresh that page. It is now live on that page.
There's a question. Does the person who made the change, did they get a notification that you approved it or that someone approved it?
No, they do not get a notification. No notification is sent to the content manager of that website. Okay, so I'm still in edit mode. That's why I see all these things, the different kind of module structures. But if I go to there, you do not see any other modules, rather these two modules within that page. Now, you can change the you can sort the module. You can change the placing of that module. To do that, you just drag it wherever you want to put. If I want to appear that module first, so I just drag in there. That appears first, and one was before that, that is second. So you can change module location or place. Also, if you want to change the module structure, you can do so. So right now, it is the bottom module. If you want to change to left, or half right, you can do so just by selecting there. It is that simple. So this is about module, adding contents, updating contents within a module. Nathan, is there any question so far?
Yes, there's one question. When you access the content you wanted to upload, were you showing, oh.
I'm sorry, say again?
Sorry, I was reading the full question. Someone just wanted to know, when you access the content you wanted to upload, they wanted to know if you were showing them your own computer. In other words, were you uploading from your own computer or a limited choice of files loaded somewhere?
Okay, so uploading documents, I'm coming to that part. If it doesn't matter, it could be located on your computer or could be located in a different site. For example, Google Doc or Dropbox folder. As long as you can browse to that document from your computer, you will be able to upload. So next, I'm going to show you how to upload documents or images or embed a link. Sorry, Nathan, was there any other question?
No, there's no other questions at this time.
Okay. Now, next one is how to upload a document, for example, PDF or Word document or Excel file or PowerPoint. So you need to go to that edit mode. To go to edit mode, you just click within that module. You are in the edit mode. And make sure you go to advanced editor. If you want to upload a document, we suggest always go to advanced editor option. There, you select where do you want to upload that document. For example, I want to upload that document within these key activities include. To do that, you highlight that section and then find the icon called link in the toolbar. This is your link. This is your icon, the link icon. You click in there, a new window pops up called link. From there, you browse your document to upload to the web server. So to do that, you click browse server. Nathan, can you see this pop-up window? I think so.
Yes, you're good.
And there it gives you option where to upload documents. It's very important you upload your document within your SIG or division folder. To do that, on the left side, you see the directory structure. You do not have access to anything else other than if you are an officer of a division, then you go to divisions. To go to your folder, you click the docs folder, docs directory on the left. And then from there, you find the directory called divisions for divisions. And within that divisions directory, each division has its own folder. If it is a SIG, then scroll further down until you see special interest group or SIGs. The SIGs folder has all the directories for each SIG. So I am within SIG number 147 page. So I am authorized to upload to 147 folder only. So I find that folder. This is the place for SIG 147. You have option there if you want to create a subdirectory within that SIG, within your SIG's directory. You can do so by clicking this icon, the folder icon, to create a new subfolder. Otherwise, if you want to save or upload your document within the root of your SIG or division folder, you stay there. And you find this icon called content files. You click in there to upload your document to the web server and then add files. It gives you option to upload multiple documents at a time. You can upload as many as documents. So I browse my computer, so I'm accessing the document from my computer. If it was in a Dropbox, then you access your Dropbox folder and browse to the document. I want to upload this test upload document. I select that and click open. It is added there. Now, last thing you want to do is start uploading. Click start upload. And it is uploaded there. And then you select the document you uploaded. Click OK. And then next thing what you need to do is, if you want to stay on the same browser or same page, you can leave. You go to target and leave that no set, or if you want that document to access from a different or new tab, you select new window and click OK. I'm going to select not set now. A document is uploaded and linked to that section. Similar thing is if you want to upload an image. For example, I want to upload, say, AERA's logo there. So you click in the place where you want to upload. It is the same way. You click the link icon in the toolbar, and then a new window pops up, and then you click Browse Server. If you recall, to upload documents, you go to the Docs folder, but to upload an image, you need to go to a folder called Images. And within that Images folder, SIG and divisions, they have their own directory. For divisions, it's the division directory. For SIGs, it is the SIGs directory. And within that SIGs directory, similarly, each SIG has its folder. So I select my SIGs folder. And the same way you upload by content files, add files. You can add multiple images, but I suggest when you're uploading an image, select a single image. Select the image that you want to upload and start upload. Next, you select your image and click OK. I am sorry, I misguided you. I'm going to cancel. I'm sorry. To upload an image, you do not click that link icon. Rather, the option is their image icon. That is where you need to click to upload an image. If you upload as a document, you will not be able to put the image there. So it is important you click image icon and upload there. Now the process is same. A new window pops up, image properties window. You browse the server and find your directory from images directory, and then within that find your SIG or division directory. Content files to add files. It is the same process as uploading a document. Select your image, start upload, and then select your uploaded document. click OK. And then here, it gives you option to change the size of the image you are uploading. I want to decrease the size, 300 maybe, and change there and click OK. The image is uploaded there. This is how you upload an image within your page. So the process to upload a document or to upload an image, it's the same. Only thing is you select docs for documents, image or images for image. And once it's done, then you click close. Make sure you submit so that an AERA staff can see or notified that it is uploaded. I submit. Oh, come on. I'm gonna stop sharing for a moment because this transcript is bothering. I disable that or hide subtitle. All right. I click submit, give some comment. It is submitted. Now, as you can see here, it says this page version is waiting to be approved. So somebody has to approve within AERA Central Office. As soon as it is approved, it will be published. So for now, if I go to that page, I do not see any document or image there because they are not live yet. So if I go to my admin account and I see I have made some change, so I'm going to approve. As soon as it is approved, things are live now. So I refresh that page. There you can see the image that I just uploaded and the document just uploaded. So this is how you upload a document or an image within your page. Next one, very similar to this, is how you can embed an external link within your page, or how you can embed an email address within your page. For example, I want my visitors to go to an external page to find some information. To do that, you highlight that section and then go to that link icon in the toolbar, and this new window link you put within the URL section, the URL of the site that you want your visitors to go. For example, I want my visitors to go to cnn.com by clicking that section. I click OK. So a hyperlink is created to go to an external link. Similar way, you can embed an email address there. For example, if I am a contact on that page, I put my name and highlight my name and click the link icon the same way, and link type under link type section, from the drop down select email and put any email address you want. That's how you embed an email address or an external link within that page. Once it is done, you make sure you submit so that it can be approved by an AERA staff. The next one is a very nice feature. It is called anchoring. Anchoring is if your page has lots of contents and long, it's a long page. People have to scroll up and down to go to a particular section. From there, if you want your visitors to go to a particular section, there you apply that anchoring feature. To do that, let me grab some contents, more contents. So for example, let's see. Okay, I add more contents there. So it's a little longer page, and if you want your visitors to go to a particular section, you use that anchoring. For example, if you want your visitors to go directly to this section, you highlight there. Not really, I'm sorry. You click or you put your cursor somewhere within that section, and then in the toolbar find this icon called anchor. You click and give a name of that anchoring. I'm going to give a name testing and click OK. You can see a flag is there, red flag. That means it is anchored. Anchoring feature has been added there. Now, from where you want your visitors to go directly to that page. For example, this section is relating to that anchoring section, and you want people or your visitor to go to that section by clicking this icon. So you highlight that and then go to the link icon in the toolbar. Under link type, click the link to anchor in the text, and then it's going to prompt you what is the name of your anchoring and what is the ID. It's the same as name, so you select there and click OK, and it is anchored. That means if I click here, it will directly bring me to that section. So it is done. I close to submit. So this page version is waiting to be approved. It is not live yet, so somebody in the office will be approving. Let's see if I'm notified there. Yes, there is a notification and I approve. As soon as I go to that page, okay. All the changes I made, they're in here. And this is that, I believe, that anchoring section. If I click there, let's see what happens. It takes exactly where I want my visitors to go. So as you can see, document is uploaded, image is uploaded, an email address is embedded, and I have done the anchoring. A good example of anchoring I can show you within our website. If I go to the newsletter that we publish every month, and it has that anchoring feature there. So if I want my visitors to go to beyond AERA section, I click there, it takes exactly beyond AERA section for my readers to read. So this is a good feature you may want to use if your page is long, so that your visitors do not have to find the exact place. So this is all about maintaining your website. You can add modules, and within module you add contents, you upload documents, You upload an image, you embed external links, email address, or you can use that anchoring feature. Those are the most common things that you need to do. Other than that, yeah, I forgot to mention one thing. What browser you need to use? Our website is not supported by Internet Explorer. So the most common these days browsers: Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge. They are supported, and you can use any of those websites or browsers to update your website. Other than that, I think I covered everything. Nathan, is there any question that?
There's no questions in the chat, but do you want to quickly mention about how to link to like a video, for example? I don't know if that's something you covered or not today.
Yeah, so our website doesn't support uploading videos. That is one thing. Its reason is video files are too big. The best thing is you upload your video somewhere, say you create a link on YouTube and embed that YouTube link within your page. Unfortunately, we do not provide space to upload videos, so you will not be able to. Yeah, you will not be able to upload any video. If you have a link somewhere else to access that video, you can embed that link to access. YouTube is the most common, most popular. You may want to use that feature. Any other question, Nathan?
As of this moment, there are no open questions.
And of course, when you are done updating your website, make sure you log out for security reason. So as I said at the beginning, if you do not see, if you are an officer of a SIG or division, and you do not see that edit bar or the evoc bar on the left side, that means we might have not given or authorized you. So please contact Nathan or me or our communication team, making sure that we authorize you as soon as we can. If you do not see that evoc bar, you cannot update anything. One thing, let me show you, I may want to mention, go to that edit section. If you want to delete a module, how you can do. So the module I created, I want to delete that. It is very simple. You hover your mouse at the top of that module and then click that, go to that settings icon. And there is this option, delete. Click delete, and that will delete the module you want to delete. But be cautious. It's very easy to delete, and after that you decide, no, you do not want to delete it, it's accidentally deleted, please contact us. We'll be able to restore that deleted module or deleted contents. Another thing on the left navigation menu, as I said, these are the default menus we provide, and you want to organize in a different way. For example, key initiatives menu, you want to put somewhere else, maybe before who we are. You do not have access to do that, please contact me, contact us, and we'll do it for you. Same way, if you want to add a new menu in the left navigation menu, please let us know. We will do it for you as well. So we still have time. We stay here for a few minutes if anybody has any question. Another thing is, as I said, updating our website or web pages. It's very simple, very basic. You do not need any special skill. But if you are skilled working on or updating web pages, and you have good skill using HTML code or CSS, or you want to use any other web features, let us know. I can guide you to do that, but it's not required. It is not required to use any CSS or HTML code. But if you want to use HTML code to update, let me show you how it is done. You go to the editor mode, make sure you are in advanced editor mode, and you add simple way. If you want to know the HTML code, source code, it is located here at the upper left corner of the toolbar, the icon called source. As soon as you click there, it shows you the HTML code within that module. And if you are familiar with HTML codes, you can update your contents from using that HTML codes, but it is not required. It is up to you. Since we have time, let me show you few other things. This icon table, you can add table on your page by using that feature. It's very simple. This icon, it's to add a horizontal line. For example, I want to add a line there. You click insert horizontal line. A line is added to separate sections within your page. You can add a smiley face or emoji. This way you can select any of those. Option is there. The next option is if you want to insert any special character. This is your icon to go. The next one is if you want to insert a page break. You can use that instead of adding that horizontal line. So many options are there. It's very similar to what we generally see on Word application, Microsoft Word application. So Nathan, if there is no more question, I think I covered everything.
There's no questions right now.
Okay, so thank you very much, everybody, for joining us. If you have any question, please contact me or Nathan or our communication team. Once again, the list of contacts, let me see. You can find that on our website, or these are the contact information, important contact information for your SIG or division or your website.
Well, thank you, Badud, for leading this today. And as Badud said, just let us know if you have any questions. And have a wonderful weekend.
Okay, thank you very much, everybody. Thank you very much, ASL team and the captioner. Hope everybody enjoys the weekend. And from here, I say goodbye. Bye, Nathan.